Hey everyone, welcome back to Little One's Wellness YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting parts of parenting, your baby's first year. We'll highlight 10 key milestones your baby will reach. From those first precious smiles to those wobbly first steps, we'll be right here with you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. Let's get started. Milestone number 1 is all about those heart-melting smiles. Around 6 to 8 weeks old, your baby will start to respond to your smile with one of their own. It's pure magic, isn't it? This is a huge moment because it's the start of their social development. Those gummy grins are your baby's way of connecting with you, recognizing familiar faces, and letting you know they're happy. Make sure you treasure these moments. Those early smiles are fleeting, so soak them up and cherish every single one. Milestone number 2 takes us into the world of sound. By 2 to 4 months, your little one will start making those adorable cooing sounds. It's like they're trying to tell you all their little secrets. Encourage it by talking and singing to them. Read them stories, narrate your day. Every word helps them develop language skills. Milestone number 3 is all about strength and coordination. Around 3 to 4 months old, your baby will start to hold their head up during tummy time. You'll see those neck and shoulder muscles working hard. This paves the way for other milestones, like rolling over and sitting up. Tummy time is like their boot camp, building muscles for adventures ahead. So make tummy time fun. Get down on the floor, make silly faces, use toys to encourage them. Milestone number 4, get ready for some action. Between 4 to 6 months, your little one will start rolling over. It's like they've discovered a whole new way to move. Rolling over shows their muscles are getting stronger. It's a joy to watch them figure it out. Give them plenty of space to practice safely. Milestone number 5 takes us into the world of exploration. By 4 to 6 months, your baby will start reaching for and grasping objects. Everything becomes a fascinating toy, from fingers to toes. This step develops hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's amazing how quickly they control those tiny fingers. Offer them different textures and shapes to explore. Milestone number 6 is all about independence. Around 6 to 8 months old, your baby will start to sit up with little or no support. It's like they've suddenly discovered they have a whole new perspective on the world. This milestone is crucial for their physical development, strengthening their core muscles and giving them the stability they need to explore even more. You can support them by surrounding them with cushions or pillows to help them practice their balance. Just be there to provide a helping hand, literally, if they need it. Milestone number 7, get ready for some serious mobility. Most babies start crawling between 7 to 10 months old. It's such an exciting time as they begin to explore their surroundings more independently. Suddenly, no corner of the house is safe. Crawling is fantastic for their physical development, building strength, coordination, and spatial awareness. It's like they're on a mission to discover every nook and cranny. Create a safe space for them to crawl and discover. Gate off any stairs, secure furniture, and put away anything that could be dangerous. Then let them loose. Milestone number 8. Between 8 to 10 months, your little one will start pulling up to stand using furniture. They're like little mountaineers conquering every peak. This builds leg muscles and improves balance. It's amazing to see their determination, even using you as support. Supervise closely and ensure furniture is sturdy and safe. Milestone number 9. Get ready for one of the most anticipated moments of your baby's first year. Those first wobbly steps. Between 9 to 12 months, your little one might just take the plunge and start walking. This is a huge accomplishment, the culmination of all those months of rolling, crawling, and pulling themselves up. It's a moment you'll never forget. Encourage them by holding their hands, creating a safe environment for them to practice, and showering them with praise and encouragement. Milestone number 10. It's time to talk. By 10 to 12 months, your baby will likely say their first words, and there's nothing quite like hearing those sweet sounds. Mama or Dada will never sound the same again. This marks the beginning of their language development journey, a journey filled with endless possibilities. Encourage their speech by talking to them frequently, reading together, and singing songs. Every interaction is an opportunity for them to learn and grow. Watching your baby reach these milestones is truly magical. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so celebrate each achievement no matter when it happens. Don't compare your little one to others and trust your instincts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and don't forget to subscribe to Little One's Wellness YouTube channel for more parenting tips. We're here to support you every step of the way. Which milestone are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, y'all.